Guys, it's your girl Ify Oyoyondoke and you're welcome back to another episode of Oyoyondoke's Kitchen. On today's recipe, I am excited. I'll be making one of my favorite delicacies all the way from eastern part of Nigeria. And to do the honors in today's recipe is going to be my one and only amazing sister who came visiting. Yeah, she's taking over my kitchen. Aww. So let's welcome my beloved sister. Woo! Welcome. All right, so she's saying hi to you all and she'll be giving us the recipe today. We are making delicacy called Ugba. It's called Okpaka in Anambra State. Now, what's the English name of Ugba again?
It's oil bean seed.
All right, so Ugba is called oil bean seed and we'll be making that with some stockfish and some cow skin. So the list will be on the description box. Don't forget to check it out to find out all the details. Yeah. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. African oil bean seed is a proven source of energy, is rich in protein, magnesium, iron, vitamin, calcium, and a lot of other benefits. It has also been recorded to help in reducing cataract and as well reducing cancer growth. And we'll be cooking this with some stockfish and beef skin. We'll also be using some crayfish. In this one, I'll be using oporo as usual, some pepper, and onions is optional, but because I love onions, I want to incorporate it here. And we'll be using some potash and as well as red oil, seasoning cube, and salt to taste. Guys, so stay tuned to find out how we roll. Thank you guys for watching.
Cook our stockfish and cow skin, and we're going to cook it at least 20 minutes. Since it's a pressure pot, we'll cook it 20 minutes, but if it's not pressure pot, you cook it more than 20 minutes. Yes, here you go. Let's add it. Make sure your stockfish is well cooked. If you can't use stockfish, you can use meat. Then you add a cup of water. Wish to add salt, good and fine. If you don't wish, like I usually don't add salt because my Ugba has a lot of salt. As our stockfish and cow skin is cooking,
we have to grind the crayfish.
My sister loves bigger crayfish, which is called oporo, but I myself, I use the tiny crayfish. This is expensive, so I use the tiny crayfish. While the stockfish is cooking, we prepare other ingredients. Onions is optional. My sister likes onions a lot. As soon as we are done with onions, we cut our pepper. She also likes it fresh. I usually use dry pepper for mine. She likes a lot of onions, so I'm going to cut plenty. Now we cut the pepper. We are preparing our Ugba sauce. You pour the oil. It depends on the quantity of Ugba you have, so you should be able to know the quantity of oil you put. Then the potash, you pour your potash, then you start mixing. Wow, it's already thick. Still add a little oil. As you can see, it's ready for mixing. If you like, you add, for those that like pepper a lot, you add your dry pepper. Then you add your crayfish. Salt, seasoning, then you stir, mix it together. You add your pepper, stir your pepper. Of course, you see our stockfish and the cow skin is ready. We have cut it into pieces. Then you add your ugba nicely. Then you add your stockfish and cow skin. Of course, remember I did not add salt because stockfish has a lot of salt. So I did not add salt while I was cooking it. You stir. Wow, this looks so lovely, so nice. Keep stirring. Ugba is ready. Oyoyo Ndoki likes onions. It's optional, but because Oyoyo Ndoki likes onions, we'll add a little bit of onions. Then we add Utazi leaf too. Then you stir. Wow, this looks so lovely and yummy. It is ready.
So guys, this is our final product and it's looking very, very appetizing, so delicious and yummy. And guess what? Of course, Oyoyo Ndoki will be doing testing today. Yeah, it's good to let someone cook for you and you just sit and relax and enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give your girl some thumbs up, and also turn on your notification bell to receive my notification whenever I upload my videos. We do thank you for watching our video today. We thank you, thank you, thank you. So guys, I'm going to do the honors to taste this yummy ugba. And it's well garnished with some vegetables. Oh my goodness, this is well enjoyed in Imo State and Abia State of Nigeria, and also Anambra and Enugu State, actually eastern part of Nigeria. So I don't want to be greedy, so I'm not gonna take everything. Let me just have a taste, guys. Wow. Guys, this is totally delicious and very yummy. Guys, I do thank you for watching my video today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to receive my videos whenever I upload them. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give me some thumbs up and share my videos to your contact, your community page. I do thank all of you guys are amazing. Stay blessed and stay well. Bye-bye.